Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way, people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. I want you guys to see how Dash, which is capital DASH, pops up. Today's Tuesday, October the 10th. Number one spot at the top of the board at tradealgo.com for our users to take advantage of, with nearly a 160% increase in institutional bullish pressure. So out of all stocks out there, DASH is number one at the top of the board. Stock ends up moving about 6.7% as a result. Now, it's important to get that information early. That's why we use machine learning technology, which moves at lightning speed, much faster than the human eye and brain, as well as private exchange networks, which is where big institutions go to do their private trades and transactions. So that way at 9:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, just a few minutes after the market opened, we see 1.85 times the average amount of institutional bullish volume. What our AI is detecting is that typically only $106 million of DASH is traded behind closed doors over a previous 7-day total average. Today alone, $170 million. So it's a much larger amount of volume in a fraction of the amount of time. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, if you had done call options following smart money transactions, look at this nice list of triple digit returns. Let's say, for example, you had done the $81 call option, had the most daily volume and open interest. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the chart. And we're going to go to the 3-minute chart because we know our AI picked up at 9:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is right down here in between these candles. This is the 9:48 candle. This is the 9:51 candle. Options were in between about 40 cents to about 44 cents. So let's say you got in at about 42 cents on the average. At its maximum, that's an over 340% return. But it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. It's about having the information and the data down here with TradeAlgo, as opposed to hearing about it in the retail news or even on this video after it's already moved. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 15 minutes later, and then maybe you hopped out early at a 100% return. That's still a great trade. Get your data early and down here. Stop trying to chase it over here. And it wasn't just DASH. There are many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. So let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. We have NEO directly below Dash, 170% increase in bullish volume from institutional private exchanges. Stock ends up moving almost 6% as a result. If we go to the Trade Algo Alerts tab, we can see that NEO pops up at 8:14 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this would be more than an hour before the market even opens. If we go to NEO and we take a look at the call options and how they move today, you can see a nice list of triple digit and close to triple digit returns. Most people probably would have hung out around the $8 to $9 call options because of how much daily volume and open interest there was. So let's say, for example, that you had done the $8.50 option. Options opened at 17 cents. At its maximum, it's a 165% return. Again, the whole purpose is to get the information early. Maybe you didn't hop in until 9:50, which would be 20 minutes after the market opened, and still squeaked out an almost 100% move. The last one that we'll wrap up with today is AI, ticker symbol AI. You can see it pop up. Stock moved over 8% from nearly a 300% increase in institutional bullish volume. If we go to our alerts tab, you can see that C3 was identified at 9:49 a.m., right around the time that Dash was as well, with 1.61 times the bullish volume. So if we go to its stock chart, you can see the nice move that it made throughout the day. And of course, what our AI is tracking in real time is the unusual amounts of volume that are happening behind those closed doors. So you can see a nice list of triple-digit returns, but remember it was identified at 949. This was from open to close. So let's say, for example, that you had done the $26 option, had the most daily volume in open interest, so the most liquidity. If we go to the 3-minute chart, this is the 949 candle, so its maximum options were up about 200%. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.